Today, we have got exciting topic that many of you have been asking about: finance, banking, and how to make money online. Whether you are a financial enthusiast or someone looking on explore new way of generating income, you are in the right place. Before you dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. Now let's get started. First thing first, let's lay the foundation by understanding the basic of finance. Finance is essentially the management of money and includes concepts like budgeting, saving, and investing. One key player in the financial world is banking, the backbone of our monitoring system. If you are new to the world of banking, don't worry. It's all about managing your money efficiently. A checking account is great for every transaction, while a saving account helps you build a financial cushion for the future. Now let's talk about credit. Building a good credit score is crucial for various financial opportunities, getting a mortgage to securing a low-interest loan. Remember, responsible credit card use and timely payments are key to maintaining a healthy credit score. Moving on to investing. It's a way to make your money work for you. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or real estate, investing can grow your wealth over time. However, it's important to educate yourself before diving in. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to make informed decisions based on your financial goal. Now that we've covered the finance basics, let's explore the exciting realm of making money online. The internet has opened up a plethora of opportunities, and it's time to tap into them. Simon, one popular avenue is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, designer, or programmer, there's a demand for your skills. Take the leap and turn your passion into a source of income. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative option. By promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link, you can create a passive income stream. Just be transparent with your audience and choose products that align with your values. Ever consider starting a blog or a YouTube channel? Monetization is not only enjoyable but can also be highly profitable. With dedication and consistency, you can monetize your platform through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Remember, quality content is key to attracting and retaining your audience. And let's not forget about e-commerce. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy for entrepreneurs to start their online stores. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or dropshipping products, the possibilities are endless. Just ensure you understand the market and provide value to your customers. As you embark on your journey to financial success, it's crucial to have a solid plan in place. Let's delve into some essential financial planning tips. Create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. This will help you track your spending, prioritize savings, and avoid unnecessary debt. Remember, a budget is a powerful tool for financial discipline. Emergency funds are a must. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net can provide peace of mind. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. You continuously educate yourself about personal finance, attend workshops, read books, and stay informed about market trends. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. So that wraps up today's video on finance, banking, and making money online. We've covered the basics of finance, explored various online money making strategies, and discussed the importance of financial planning. Remember, success in these areas takes time and effort, so stay committed to your goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with friends and family. As always, thanks for tuning into our YouTube channel. Until next time, happy money making. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment down below. And for more insightful content, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.